Hi, welcome to BioSTEM. Come on in. Hi, welcome to BioSTEM. BioSTEM is all about how all of the things that you're learning in your other science classes, including biology and chemistry and physics, all come together to affect your life directly. And learning the different things that you do in this class helps you in all walks of life, from the times that you have to go to the doctor's office to when you eventually want to have children, or when you're trying to decide what to eat for dinner. We talk about nutrition, we talk about the human body, and how everything in the environment affects us directly down to the cellular and molecular level. So come this way and I will show you some of the labs that we get to do in this class. One of the first things that you will learn is how to use a microscope. We'll compare different cell types. We will look at different cells that you can find in the water. So we will be taking water samples from local streams and lakes and looking at those under the microscope. You will get to see little things moving, and it's a lot of fun. Another thing that we get to do in here is bacterial culturing. So you will grow bacteria from samples that you gather around the school and see what the dirtiest parts of the school are. The answer will surprise you. And we also learn about antibiotic resistance, which is how bacteria can get stronger over time if we don't use cleaning supplies correctly. Another really fun lab that we get to do in this class is gel electrophoresis. So if any of you have ever seen CSI or any of the crime shows where they talk about analyzing DNA samples, we do that in here. That really cool glowing gel, you will get to make those. One of the really fun topics that we cover in this class is fetal development. We go all the way from the point of fertilization, when sperm enters the egg, until you have a fully developed fetus over the entire course of that 9-month pregnancy that people will have. And we go over the different risk factors to the fetus throughout pregnancy so that you know when you're ready to have children of your own, what things to avoid and why it's important to avoid those things. We also cover the parts of the adult human body, such as the joints and some of your sensory organs, like the ear and eyes. And we will explore how those senses work using optical illusions. We do lots of dissections. We will do a fetal pig dissection. We will also dissect some individual organs from sheep and cows so that you can see how those organs look in real life and not just from models. Okay, we also cover DNA. That is one of the main focuses of this class, is how your genes work and how the environment can affect your genes. We are really getting into new technology in this class where we are editing genes in plants, animals, and even people so that we can make them resistant to different diseases and things that they might encounter in the environment. One of the projects that you'll get to do is to invent your very own genetically modified organism, just like this student did with the kiwi bird, which is an endangered bird. They gave it a gene to make it see better because its vision is bad, and that is one of the reasons that it's endangered. So they're giving it a gene to make its eyes stronger so that it can survive in the wild a lot better. I hope that you will join us here in BioSTEM. We have a lot of fun in this class.